I will show you how to change the name of your Facebook page from your phone. Not only that, but I'll also show you how to change your username since the Facebook app has been updated and mobile users no longer need to do an extra step to change this. First, open the Facebook app, go to the menu options of your profile at the bottom right. First, make sure you're on the correct page or account you want to change. In my case, I'm currently on a personal profile and not on a page, so I will switch to the page. Once you are on the correct account, we can begin the process. Tap the account icon at the bottom right. On some devices, it may appear at the top right, usually on Android. Once here, tap the settings icon at the top right. Scroll down through the options until you find the section Audience and Visibility. Here, you need to find the option Page Settings or Page Setup. In the first two options, you will see Page Name and Username. The first one changes only your page name, meaning the main text that appears to users who visit your page or see you on a Facebook reel. If you want to change your name, tap it. To change your name, simply tap this text box and type your new name. If you're sure you want to change this name, tap Review Change. Facebook will notify you here that once you change your name, you won't be able to change it again for 60 days. And this change is not instant. Facebook will review it. Tap Submit for approval. Here, Facebook will ensure that it's you who wants to change your page name and not a hacker who has gained access to your account. They will send a code to your email, but if, like me, you never receive the code in your email, you will need to tap Try Other Methods. Here, you can choose to have the code sent to you via WhatsApp, and if you tap Other Options, you will have the possibility of receiving the code by text message. In my case, I'm gonna choose WhatsApp and tap Continue. Okay, the message arrived. Just enter it and tap Continue. And that's it. Facebook will notify us that the new name for our page has been submitted for review, and it may take up to 3 days for the change to be approved. Perfect! Now, to change your page username, we simply return to the previous page. Tap Username, and here we can change the username, which will define the @ symbol for our page, which users can use to tag us, and it is the URL of your page as shown here. Enter your new username and tap Save, and Facebook will probably ask you to complete all the verification we saw earlier, and once it's approved, you will see it updated on your page. So that's how to change your Facebook page name and username. If you want to know how to change the name of your personal account, check out the video on screen, where I show you how to do it.